Do you want to know the real secret to becoming a millionaire? Is it luck, a huge salary, or some magical shortcut? The truth is far simpler and more powerful. Millionaires don't rely on luck. They don't wait for sudden windfalls. Instead, they follow certain money habits that, over time, build massive wealth. And the good news? Anyone can adopt these habits. Ready to change your financial future? Keep watching, because these 7 habits could transform your life. 1. Live below your means. Here's the first millionaire secret. Spend less than you earn. Sounds simple, right? But it's life-changing. Living below your means creates a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is where wealth is born. Millionaires understand this. They don't blow their money on flashy cars, giant homes, or designer clothes to impress others. Instead, they focus on long-term freedom. For example, Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, still lives in the modest home he bought in 1958 for $31,500. Imagine that. He could buy hundreds of fancy homes, but he chooses simplicity. Why? Because every dollar he saves can be invested to grow even more. Want to start living below your means? Cook at home instead of eating out, shop smart, and avoid impulse purchases. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can work for you. The next time you're tempted to splurge, ask yourself, will this expense bring me closer to being a millionaire? Living below your means isn't about deprivation. It's about freedom. The less you spend unnecessarily, the faster your money grows. The earlier you start, the bigger the impact. Even small changes, like making coffee at home or skipping one luxury subscription, can add up over months and years. 2. Save and invest consistently. Here's a fact millionaires swear by. Saving alone won't make you rich, but investing will. Saving money under your mattress or in a bank account earns almost nothing. Investing, on the other hand, makes your money grow through compound interest. According to a 2023 Fidelity study, 82% of millionaires invest regularly. They put money into stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. Even a modest amount invested consistently can turn into a fortune over decades. For example, investing $500 a month at an 8% annual return could grow to over $1 million in 30 years. The key? Consistency. Millionaires don't wait for the perfect moment to invest. They do it month after month, no matter what. You can start small. Even $50 a month in an index fund adds up. Automate your investments so the money moves without thinking. Apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Fidelity make it easy. Time is your best friend. The sooner you start, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Don't wait for extra money or a raise. Start now, even with small amounts. 3. Avoid bad debt. Millionaires understand a hard truth. Debt can destroy wealth, but not all debt is bad. Millionaires avoid high-interest debt, like credit cards or payday loans, that drains your money. Instead, they use good debt strategically, such as mortgages or loans that help generate income. Take Elon Musk as an example. He used loans to fund Tesla and SpaceX, turning borrowed money into billions. The key is using debt as a tool, not a trap. If you want to follow this habit, start by paying off high-interest credit cards first. Avoid borrowing for things that lose value, like cars or luxury gadgets. Use the snowball method if you struggle. Pay off the smallest debt first to gain momentum. Every dollar you save from interest payments is a dollar you can invest. Imagine how much you could grow your wealth if you didn't give a chunk of your income to banks every month. Avoiding bad debt is simple, but it's one of the most powerful millionaire habits. 4. Set clear financial goals. Millionaires don't stumble into wealth, they plan for it. Setting clear, measurable goals keeps them focused. A study by the University of Scranton found that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Millionaires don't just wish for wealth, they map it out. Every step she took followed her goals. You can too. Write your financial goals, saving $10,000, buying property, or starting a business, and break them into small, manageable monthly steps to make progress consistent and achievable. Clarity creates action. If you don't know what you're aiming for, it's easy to waste money on things that don't matter. Keep your goals visible. Create a vision board, track progress, or set reminders. Each small step builds momentum, and before you know it, your financial dreams are reality. 5. Diversify income streams. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Millionaires know this and build multiple sources of income. IRS data shows that 65% of millionaires have at least 3 income streams, like side hustles, investments, or rental properties. This protects them from job loss, market crashes, or unexpected expenses. Built businesses, invested smartly, and explored multiple ventures. You don't need to start a company to diversify. Freelancing, renting out a spare room, selling digital products, or tutoring are excellent options. Even small side hustles can add up. More income equals more security equals faster wealth. The more ways you earn, the less risk you take. Start small. Try one new income source and see how it grows. The key is action. Don't wait for the perfect side hustle. 6. Educate yourself about money. Millionaires know that knowledge is power. They constantly learn about money, investments, and self-improvement. A 2023 survey by Thomas Corley found that 88% of millionaires read at least 30 minutes a day, often about finance or personal growth. You don't need a degree in finance. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or The Millionaire Next Door offer practical tips. Podcasts, YouTube channels, and free online courses can teach you too. The more you learn, the smarter your financial decisions become. Every lesson learned is money earned. Knowledge compounds just like investments. The more you understand money, the easier it is to grow it. Start today by reading an article, watching a video, or joining a financial course. Little by little, you'll build millionaire-level understanding. 7. Surround yourself with the right people. Who you spend your time with can make or break your financial future. Your network doesn't just influence your social life, it directly affects your money habits. Studies, including research from Harvard, show that your closest friends can shape how you spend, save, and invest. Millionaires understand this and are very intentional about who they allow in their inner circle. Successful people surround themselves with motivated, driven, and like-minded individuals. They seek mentors, join mastermind groups, and connect with entrepreneurs who push them to grow. Bill Gates, for example, often credits his friendship with Warren Buffett for shaping his investment strategies and financial mindset. These relationships offer more than advice. They provide accountability, inspiration, and new opportunities. You can start building a strong network today. Attend local business events, join online entrepreneur communities, or find mentors who have achieved the success you want. The people around you. Avoid those who encourage reckless spending or poor financial choices. Your environment can either help you build wealth or keep you stuck financially. Choosing the right people isn't just smart, it's essential. Your success often depends less on luck and more on the company you keep. Make your circle count and your financial life will follow. In conclusion, building wealth isn't about luck, it's about habits. Millionaires don't chase quick wins or trendy schemes. They focus on what they can control. Spending wisely, saving consistently, investing smartly, learning constantly, and surrounding themselves with the right people. The 2023 Knight Frank Wealth Report revealed that 70% of millionaires grew their wealth through habits, not inheritance or luck. This proves your financial future is in your hands. Becoming a millionaire doesn't mean earning a massive salary or hitting the jackpot. It's about discipline, living below your means, avoiding bad debt, setting clear financial goals, diversifying income streams, and investing in yourself.